In this lecture, we will see how we can create the walls in Revit with the help of these kind of CAD file. So you can clearly see that now our CAD file is embedded here. Now you can clearly see that how this one is looking. Okay, so now what you can do is, first of all, you have to measure the wall thickness. You can see because we are going to model our wall. So for that you have to measure the wall thickness. So let's see how you can do that. So for that you can just simply go to architecture, and then you can just simply go to model line. So you can just simply click on this one, and then this one, in it will tell you that this one is 230 mm. Or what you can do is you can just simply use DI. You can use DI as well. Just simply click on this one and this one. It will tell you this one is 230. Again, just simply click on this, and this one is 100. So like that, first of all you have to create the wall. So I will just simply type WA. Okay, and then you can see that the only thickness available is 200, 200 and all these things. So we can just simply choose any of these generic, and then we can just simply go to edit type. So basically I will duplicate this one. I will call this one 230 mm. Okay, so let's simply go to structure. So let's change the thickness here as well. Okay, so now let's hit OK, and now you can see that we 230 mm thick wall is available. Again, I will go to edit type. Again, you have to duplicate this. So this time I will create 100 mm wall, and then I will hit OK. And then instead of going to that, I will just simply go to structure, 100 mm, hit OK, and then OK. So now both walls are available here, 100 mm and 200 mm. After that, all you need is just to simply choose any of this wall, and then if you click on this one, you can see that there's some sort of problem here, that this one is center to center. This thing is happening just because of the fact that this one is the wall center line. So you can just simply go ahead with the finish space exterior, and now you can see that this one is height unconnected. So instead of unconnected, we want this wall to go up to level 3. So I will just simply click on this one, that will goes up to level 3. This one is chain, and now if you click on this time, you can see that our wall is drawn perfectly without an issue. You can see here, all you need is just to trace it down just like this. Okay, and now if you're getting this, and now if you are in this kinds of situation, all you need is just to simply press space, and then it will solve the problem. You can see here. Again, you know what you have to do. All you need is just to simply press escape, and it will solve the problem. So just simply trace it down. And now after that, you can just simply press escape. So you can see that I have model a wall from this side. Now what I will do is I will do the same thing from this side as well. You can see, just simply press escape if you have any kind of issue. Then just simply I will draw it till here. Okay. Now you can see how easy that was to just do that thing. Now what I will do is I will just simply go ahead and choose 100 mm wall, just like that. And then this time if I click on this, you can see that you can easily do that thing without an issue. So if you notice here, you can see that we have an issue. Okay, so what you can do is you can just simply click on this point, and then from here again you can just simply draw it like this. Press escape. You can see how easy that is. Press escape. Again press escape. Space. So as you can see here how easy that is to do these kinds of thing. You can see. Now we have this wall left. So what you can do is you can just simply click on this 230 thick wall, and after that you can just simply type CS, which is for create similar, and then after that you can just simply click on this point, press space, and then you can just match it with this one to finally. So if you have any kind of issue, you can see that we have this kind of issue, so you can just simply click on this one, and then you can just simply extend to this one, so that if you have any kind of issue in these kinds of region, you can just simply trace it down and fix them. You can see again we have these issues, so you can just simply click on this one, and then you can just simply drag and match to this. Now you can clearly see that we have successfully drawn our wall, and in this way you can create these kinds of wall by importing a CAD file in Revit. You can see that we don't have any kind of issue as of now. So this is the end of this lecture.